Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Studio Gallery in the backyard, and this is a dry 16 by 20 inch black canvas, and these are love bugs that are going away now, and I am going to use and try and make a second attempt at doing my Halloween theme orange colors, because the first one the cord got messed up. Wow, okay, well that's where we're starting, right there. And maybe I'll just have some fun with my fluid art if it'll come out. And I have some yellow, and I think I'm going to use some of it if I can get that to come out. Yep, I am. I'm willy-nilly. Not nilly-vanilly, willy-nilly. I'm just all over the place. It was very disconcerting finding out that I made a movie and there was no movie. So, whatever I start with, it'll be unusual. I'm going to find some white pearl. No, I don't have any white pearl. I don't know what I'm going to get. The idea is to save some of the black background, but I'm not sure that that's actually going to happen. But at least it'll be interesting showing through. Ooh, the yellow makes nice cells on with the white. This could be very quick. It's definitely very fun if you're just looking for texture. And I can definitely add paint over the top. Let me just dip that right in there. I've seldom really tried to just use these for the background color that they can be for geometric. I've done it with the shovel pours. I can just dip that whole card in. See if I can get enough paint on there. And we have a very strong breeze, so things keep blowing through my paintings. Much to my chagrin. Unlike chagrin, which is eel skin. I'm losing it, sorry. This is fun, this is interesting, this is different. I think I want some white pearl just to see what I can do with it. And it is right here. And it's not coming out either. What a surprise. Find one that will. Oh, that one will. I'm thinking about dots too, but in order to do dots I'm going to put some paint in a container. I'm tempted to see what black and the white will do, so let's do that. I don't want the Anita's black yet. I know we'll create some cells. I just don't know if I'll like it or not. That's the wrong bottle. Okay. Using the wrong bottle will never get you what you want. The funny thing about this is you got to hold the card in your hand pretty much, or you're going to be in danger of picking up whatever sticks to your paint. Excuse me. Whatever sticks to your card on your paint. Dumb moment by me. Anyway, this is mostly just for fun, and it is fun. I am having a good time. It does make me want to add some purple, but the purple won't really show up on the black tomorrow very well. So, I'm not sure if that's a really good idea. I could put some white down, and if I put some white down, then tomorrow I can put purple on. So there's a thought. I hadn't really decided if today was the whole deal or not, or if it was just going to be stage one. But I'm kind of having a good time, so it makes it kind of hard to want to stop. I don't really want to stop. I want to just keep checking out where I want more colors. And that is that same color. And the card, as long as the card has colors on it that aren't going to make mud, you should be all set. Make sure when you squish your card down in that you squish it down all the way across the color. I'm really wanting some purple. Especially since I just lost a movie because the connection was gone on my cord that had a lot of purple in it. You'll probably see it on Instagram at some point in time, or you probably already have. So, if I wipe this card down, do I have another one? I think I need to wipe this card down. So I use my studio rag, and I'm going to wipe it down and hope for the best. And I do have another card, but it's probably still got some sticky paint on from the last time. So let's see what happens when I put some of that. Ooh, there's a great purple. Let's shake that up first, just to make sure. It's a nice metallic purple. I have other purples. I have two other purples on deck. Now I can just go and shimmy that across by sticking my card in it and sort of plowing it away. Do I want to try and do the bottom half too, and then do this? Yeah, that didn't bother me. Cool. Just going to drag the rest of it right down into place. And then use part of the card paint to cover the rest. I also can use Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas just to make interesting textures. Those I need to wipe off in between, especially if I want to make a little pan of color to dip into. And that's not bothering me. I'm kind of liking that a lot. Looked like a lot of orange paint in there, so I decided I would like to have a chance to drag it through. Looks like a lot of white paint here. I don't know if those little cells will stay, but I'm going to give myself some more. Wrong bottle. Some more white paint right there. If you could keep your paint wet long enough, you could probably also use chain in here. I think what I want to do with the one that's still working is add some of this other purple. If it'll come out. Purple eyeballs. It's a Halloween theme for sure. For a moment. Oh, I've got paint on me now. I'm going to use my same card. I'm going to press it right down in there. See what we get for the fun of it. Hey, you know what? I don't hate that. It's different, but I really don't hate it. Yeah, I'm going to learn to overlook the splooges a little. Gosh, I really want to put some other colors in here, but this is my Halloween themed colors, so. And I like making the textures with the cards. I think I'm going to take a chance and use what's on the card and see what I get over there. And again right here. Oh, not so sure about that yellow. I think some other yellow might be a good idea. Sometimes I have better aim if I lift my bottle away from the surface a little bit. I think that these are bugging me, and I will like them better. Some color down the middle, especially if it does not blow away in the breeze. I'm getting very close to some place that I would be kind of nervous to go too much beyond. And there is always tomorrow. Can I do it? No, I can't. Yes, I can. Yeah, somebody in the audience goes, can't trust her. And there are my love bugs. Come on out. Your lover is dead now. I want gold in there. I want purple in there. I want everything in there. I think I'm going to use some more of my... This is a Sargent's metallic. The last of some Sargents I bought quite a while ago that I was a little disappointed in the quantity, but the colors, the saturation and the richness of the colors are amazing, so... I'm going to change it up a little bit. Do something a little different. That's a little different. That's why I did it. I'm going to clean off my spatula where I used that purple over here. I'm also going to dip my spatula in over there and take the excess paint and use it somewhere else. Anywhere else I feel like it, in fact. Because even though I have GAC 800 in all of my paints to keep them from cracking when they dry, it's still okay to take some of that paint and use it. Okay, so this is the same difference to stealing paint somewhere else. And I kind of want some white dots, which means if I'm going to do that, I better get on with it, because we will run out of time as usual if I'm not careful. What do I want to do? Just the flat end of my large skewer, and I have no idea where any of my skewers came from. People sent me massive packages of skewers. Thank you, people. I'm sorry I can't remember who you are now. There's another love bug. Goodbye. You're orange now. As opposed to that spot in my painting, which is not as orange as it was before you landed in it. What else? What else? What else? How much further do I want to go? I don't know. I really want some orange over here. And to play with it. I'll let it go right down over the edge too. And I suppose if I get frisky tomorrow and I decide that I need some other colors, I'll just add them. Since I've already got orange on my spatula, I'll just use that too. I'm trying to decide if there's anything else that I can do, but I'm still seeing places that aren't making me thrilled. But it's still kind of cool. I mean, there are definitely cool things about it. Just dipping it in, putting it down, dragging it out. It's not even pure color, it's a little schmutzy. I thought my camera adapter had gone, and that would have been bad because it was brand new replacement for one that I did have go. I'm really happy and relieved that I'll be still able to make videos for a while longer. So that's kind of cute, but I'm not sure I'm in love with it yet. But that can change in a day or two. for sure. I'm inclined to go ahead and give myself permission to do whatever interesting thing comes into my mind to add some more color or texture. It's not very Halloween-y other than the colors, but this might be somebody's favorite colors. I want some white right there. Actually, you know what? I'm going to give myself some purple. I want some of that over here too. I've got paint all over my card. That's going in the bucket before I stick my fingers in it again. This is going in the bucket. And first this. Then that. Then that. Alright, I am looking for some kind of balance that I haven't quite attained yet. But I'm not going to give up very easily. I don't. That's something, that's a little better for me. Gotta be careful if the card drags, it'll be not the kind of accidental art I'm looking for. Not sure I'm the biggest fan of this area. I got 2 minutes left to tell you guys to, if you'd like to help me out, like the people who have in the past, thank you very much, people in the past who've helped me buy art materials to keep painting. You can contribute through PayPal or Patreon, and there's icons on my channel header. There's also Zelly, if you want to use my email address underneath the video. And you can also request information about lessons or any artwork. There is a hashtag in the title of every video that will give you the file number for the artwork in the video, and I do sell my artworks. I give classes at the house in Spring Hill. I have a book that people seem to be very happy with, which makes me happy too, called Because I Can. And it's on the Amazon link below Show More underneath the video. And I'm not hating on this as much as I was a minute ago. Sometimes I can finish these and make them into something I like in the last few seconds, and that would be good, because that's what I would like right now, is to make it into something that we both like. But if not, there's always working on the dry painting. Although, you know what? I kind of like what I just did. And I forget how much I like the zigzags. So there's Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links underneath the video, at the bottom, underneath the paint pouring recipe, underneath the actual description of the video in the body of the description. Okay, I thought I was going to hate that, and I was pleasantly surprised. So I love you guys. There's over 80,000 of you. We're expecting to try and get another book out for Christmas, Volume 2. So keep an eye out for that. If I can get to work, if I can ever get to work. Not sure I like those lines. But I kind of like dipping my spatula in. So thank you guys for all the wonderful comments you give me all the time. I like that so much more right now than I did a moment ago. Holy cow. That's unexpected. So I will see you guys anon. There are over 840 videos on the end screens available if you go to my channel. Be found. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I really appreciate it. It might help me get better placement for my videos on YouTube. Although we're not certain of these that these days. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery.